Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram Messenger icon update not showing on your Instagram app. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. On the latest Instagram update, the Messenger icon or inbox icon should appear as this and not this. If it doesn't, most probably your Instagram app is not updated. As you can see, I have the updated one on my Instagram app. So here's how to fix that if you still have the old one. First, you're gonna have to go to Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Then you're gonna want to update if it gives you the option to do so. Once you've done that, you'll need to restart the Instagram app by closing the app and then reopening it, and then by this time it should show you the updated messenger icon. If this doesn't work, or if your Instagram app is already on the latest version, you'll need to clear your Instagram cache and storage. Now, to do that, you'll want to go to your settings and then scroll down to select apps. Once you're there, you're going to want to search or look for Instagram and then select storage and click clear data. This will clear the Instagram data on your phone, and then afterwards you'll need to restart your Instagram app again, and it will prompt you to log back in since you've cleared the data. Once you're logged back in, the messenger icon should now be updated. If not, this just means that Instagram still hasn't rolled out this feature in your current location. So all you can really do is wait. That's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Again, this is How to Search, and see you on the next one. Peace!